Happy weekend, legends. While most people are chilling out right now, the biggest financial players on earth, they're making moves that could reshape the entire crypto market. Charles Schwab, yes, that $10.8 trillion asset manager, he's stepping into crypto like never before. This isn't just a headline. This is a massive shift. And then, boom! The CEO of Coinbase drops a major bombshell about stablecoin that has huge implementations for XRP. That's right. Combine that with the technical setup we're seeing on XRP's chart right now, and you got the perfect storm. In this video, we're unpacking how Charles Schwab's massive capital could ignite a domino effect, what Brian Armstrong really meant in his latest statement, and why XRP is flashing a breakout signal that almost no one is talking about. By the end of this video, you'll see why this weekend may go down as one of the most pivotal moments in the crypto narrative. So make sure you hit that thumbs up button for me. Supports the channel. It tells YouTube, hey, this man got great content. We want the rest to know about it. Subscribe if you are new. And let's jump in. What could be the start of something massive? Welcome to the Bullwinkle Blueprint, your one-stop shop for all of your crypto news. We got you covered through this entire bull run. If you're looking to become a channel member, hit that join button on my channel or at the bottom of every video. Bitcoin, $118,408. It's currently down 0.62% in the past 24 hours. Ethereum coming in at $3,553. It's currently down 1.70%. And XRP, yeah, buddy, it's coming in at $3.40. It's currently trending down just a tad bit. Nothing to be concerned about. It is coming in at a whopping $3.40. You love to see where the price of XRP is right now. It's that simple. We are right at our prior all-time high. It looks like it is trying to turn this into a support zone and then bounce up and make its next move. Remember, the weekly close comes in tomorrow. Let's get a weekly close above that prior all-time high, and then you know what we say, it is go time. Titan of Crypto said this: Bitcoin bullpen unfolded perfectly. Bitcoin remains on track for the $137,000 target. Well, I don't know if he's calling this as the end of his Bitcoin price prediction or this is just the next area of interest. I am eyeing up. We already called 117 to 120. We are perfectly in that range. I am eyeing up a move up to or above 130,000 at this point on Bitcoin, and I would assume that is coming within the next couple of weeks. Remember, mini alt season, Bitcoin season, final alt season, bull run comes to an end. Then we get this, Charles Schwab. Let's talk about it. Listen to this clip from CNBC and let's dive deep into it and to get into some XRPTA and some predictions on it.
And sign the Genius Bill today into law.
Well, our clients are invested in crypto today. In fact, our clients hold more than 20% of the exchange-traded product crypto in the entire industry. So they're invested. It's still only about 25 billion out of the 10.8 trillion that our clients have. So it's still relatively small, but our clients own a big part of the market. We also anticipate launching Bitcoin and Ether sometime soon so that our clients have access to that. And we think that'll be an acceleration of our growth, because what we hear from many of our clients are that they have 98% of their wealth here at Schwab, and they might hold 1% or 2% at some digital native firm to hold their crypto. And they really want to bring it back to Schwab because they trust us. They want it to sit alongside their other assets. And so we think we'll see some real growth when we bring those to market.
So you would be directly competing then with like a Coinbase on that front?
Absolutely. If they're buying their crypto at Coinbase, we would love to see them bring their crypto back.
All right, there you have it, folks. This changes everything. Schwab, 10.8 trillion assets under management. They're diving headfirst into spot Bitcoin and Ethereum trading. You're probably like, Rip, where's XRP? That will come. Don't worry. They got to start somewhere, and they start with the 1 and 2. It's like that for every major company or any company jumping into crypto at that point. That's right. One of the most conservative institutional giants on Wall Street just greenlit direct crypto access for retail and institutional clients. But that's just the beginning. Because Schwab didn't stop at trading. No, no, no. They confirmed the launch in a stablecoin. Let that sink in. The same firm that your parents and grandparents trust with their retirement accounts is now building crypto infrastructure that rivals Coinbase and Circle. Now imagine this. Every single Schwab account, every retirement portfolio, every brokerage could soon be plugged into Bitcoin Ethereum and a Schwab-backed stablecoin that could move billions of dollars overnight. But here's the kicker. Schwab is already part of an EDX market, a new crypto exchange backed by Citadel, Fidelity, and Sequoia. It's not just a coincidence. This is what we call coordination. Schwab's entry point is a part of a much bigger play to capture the entire next wave of crypto adoption, quietly, methodically, and with institutional firepower. But let me ask you this. Why now? Why is Schwab all of a sudden all in on digital assets? Well, it's simple. Regulations are coming. The Genius Act passed. Anti-CBDC Act is next. We already got Mika over in Europe. The gates are wide open. And Schwab wants to be first in line when the tidal wave of demand hits. And look, we asked Grok, what other major companies are out there that are currently in crypto? Fidelity, Interactive Brokers, Robinhood, Coinbase, PayPal, Square, TD Ameritrade, E-Trade, aka Morgan Stanley. Did you really think Charles Schwab was going to miss this boat? So if Schwab's clients holding millions of retirement accounts, even a 1% allocation to crypto from their user base would send Bitcoin and Ethereum to levels most people still think are impossible. And that stablecoin they're building, well, it's not just a product, it's a weapon. It's a tool to lock users into their ecosystem, settle trades instantly, and challenge USDC and PayPal for stablecoin dominance. This isn't just bullish, folks. This is the start of a new financial era. And then my man James Rule's like, I'm going to ask Gemini for some XRP price predictions. Look at these. Here's specific price predictions. They're looking at anywhere from 365 to 380 by the end of July. Hey, I'll take it. That would be an amazing consolidation range in the second half of July. We can add that as a support base before we can shoot up. And then further projections, they're looking in August, 750 to 820. Maybe a 9 to 980 XRP in September with a 1050 to 11 in October, and December possibly $18 to $22. Now remember, these are all predictions. Whether they come true or not, time will obviously tell, but everything is shaping up for the next parabolic push-up on XRP. Price discovery is building. We are about to blast off once we retest the prior all-time high, making sure we want to turn this into support so we can continue to push up further. When we look at the XRP chart and we do a little TA, we got the new support and resistance zones. You can see we are currently battling this one. 336 to 366. Once 366 breaks on XRP, it is go time. We have two different support and resistance indicators dropped into this chart. You can see this gray region, and you can see this little yellow dot right here, which is sitting exactly at the top of where the other one. So both resistance targets are matching up at 366. You know the saying here, folks. And this, I've been using this for almost a year at this point. When these break out from their resistance levels, it has proven time and time again that the price is set to move up and it's ready to fly. Right here, we have nothing holding us back. When 366 breaks, and yes, it is going to break, this thing is set to absolutely fly and absolutely go on a rampage. And that is what I'm paying attention to. Regulations are here. Bitcoin is set to move up in its next leg, which will help altcoins move up as well. XRP has a ton of momentum behind it. We see the big boys finally entering crypto as well. We are in for an amazing 5.5 months. And the party has already started. So I hope you're ready. I hope you're strapped in for what's coming next. Because I know I am. XRP's next targets, 4 to 650, like we've been stating on this channel for quite some time. These are the next logical targets in the sequence. Make sure you stay sharp, stay ready. This chart is the calm before the vertical storm. I'm going to leave it right there. I'll catch everyone a little bit later.